Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluency School. So, before we start our journey together, I thought of giving you some tips to learn any language in a very effective manner. So, if you want to become a better speaker, you have to use these tips. Alright everyone, let's get to the list. Number 1, understand your motive. You have to first understand why you need to learn English. Is it to get a good job? Is it because you're expecting a promotion? To get a better education? Because you're seeking a new challenge in your life? What it is. So set a proper goal. When you have a proper goal like that, it's easy for you to stick to that and work towards it. Right, number 2, be exposed. Now you might think, how can I expose myself to a language? What is she talking about? Well, you can expose yourself like this. You can read, you can listen, and you can watch. You can read a lot of things like books, magazines, newspapers. It doesn't actually matter what you read because you're reading to learn new words, new grammar patterns, sentence structures, and so on. You can also listen to things like music. There are beautiful songs with beautiful lyrics. So you can listen to them, and also podcasts. That's also a very effective way of learning new vocabulary and pronunciation. Right. Lastly, you can watch movies. That's something we all like to do, isn't it? So you can watch movies choose what you like to watch. It can be action movies, it can be horror movies, whatever you like. You can watch them. And while you're watching a movie, if you find it difficult to understand what these actors and actresses say, you can always watch movies with subtitles. That way, in case if you can't understand what they say, you can always read it and find out. Right, number 3 in the list. Practice your English. Now we discussed all these resources that we can use to learn English, and remember, you have to practice what you have learned as well. Right, so when it comes to speaking in English, sometimes people get really scared and nervous. You don't have to be like that. Be relaxed and be confident in yourselves. It's okay to do mistakes. Always remember that, because by doing mistakes only we can learn more, right? And always remember this as well. Nobody is perfect. Even native speakers do not speak perfect English, right? So it's okay to do mistakes. So practice a lot. Try to get engaged in conversations as much as possible. You can go to a class, talk to your friends, use every opportunity to practice your English. Alright everyone, so that's it for today, and I hope this video was very helpful, the tips that I gave today, and I also hope that you will use this to learn English better. Right, and also please do comment if you have any doubts to get clarified, so then I can create more content on such things as well. Right, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and also click the bell icon if you need to get notifications of new videos. I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, take care and stay safe.